What's up everyone, this is Albert from HelloBar, and for this video we'll talk about the meta tag targeting feature of HelloBar. Meta tag targeting allows you to display HelloBar pop-ups based on specific metadata of the web page, and this level of targeting enables enhanced personalization, ensuring that visitors see relevant messages or offers based on the content they are viewing. To set this up, simply navigate in your HelloBar admin dashboard under targeting. Then hit the create new rule button. We'll create a new rule. Let's name it meta tag targeting rule. Hit the plus sign and under page targeting select the meta tag. Now let's go to our website. For our sample site, we'll use the meta tag which is the description. So let's try to capture it here using the page source of the browser. So as you can see, we have here the description meta content titled HB test. So for the name, we'll use description contains, that will be HB test. So once this meta tag targeting rule is set up, the pop-up that we will assign with this targeting rule will appear whenever the entered meta tag matches the condition on your site pages. So hit save to set this up. Alright, so let's create a pop-up that we will display on this page. Hit on create new pop-up. Select pop-up goal. Let's choose a pop-up modal. Alright, just use this for example. And then under targeting, under who should see this, we'll select the meta tag targeting rule that we create. Then we'll hit publish now. So our pop-up is all set and should appear on the targeted web page with the meta tag setup. So that concludes our video tutorial on how to use and set up the meta tag targeting feature of HelloBar. Try HelloBar now and convert more than 83% of your site visitors into leads, subscribers, and buyers. Thank you for watching.